Hey, this is Jason Guyman with PressureWashTraining.com. I am here to help you grow your business and for you to succeed. That is my number one goal. So today I want to talk to you that has been asked, where do we purchase our equipment, our stuff, all that good stuff. Now, I'm not stepping on toes of who I'm going to say. I will mention some places. I don't care where you buy from. Nobody's paying me to do this, so I don't care where you buy from. I'm going to give you my suggestions and where to buy from, and it might be different for you. The number one factor we use is there's two places that I can order today and have it at my doorstep tomorrow without second day freight, without paying any extra freight, honestly. So those are the two I use because I know it's going to be here and I don't have to pay for next day shipping because they're not that far away and I can get it quick. So the first thing that I have, I would suggest if you have somebody local that is a good supply house that is local, that would be my first place to do it. I'm here in Cincinnati. There's one guy that's local, but he's highway robbery. Literally, he will charge you double of anybody around. I had a part, it was for a burner. It was $100 through Russ. Through him, it was $200. Who am I going to buy it from? And you're going to screw me on one part like that? I ain't going to buy nothing else from you at that point. So, and he did have it, and I had to wait the next day to get it for him. I'm going to wait for $100. So, here are some suppliers of who I use and why I use them. So my number one supplier that I use everything, we use our detergent comes from there. We use Snot Made in our mixture of our house wash mixture, which is Snot Made. So we use him for that. It is Russ Johnson from Southside Equipment. I'll put the link down below. He actually is really good about customer service. If you have any questions, you can call Mr. Russ and he will walk you through how to fix your equipment, how to fix your burner, how to fix anything. Russ is amazing at this. He does a really good job. I've used him since I've started. Some people like him, some people don't. I like him. And the main reason is I called him today. I was checking on some information that I was giving you on these videos. I wanted to make sure it was right and accurate, and I called him just to make sure. I was right, but I wanted to double check. And I knew Russ, even if I didn't buy nothing from him, I knew he would give me the right answer. And that's what I want in customer service. So that's why I use Russ. I buy a lot of stuff through Russ. Now, you can buy it through his website. I don't really like buying stuff through his website. If I'm going to buy stuff from Russ, I'm picking up the phone and I'm calling him. My personal thing. Now, if I don't need to talk to nobody and I only want to buy it online, I go to my number two spot, and that is Bob at Pressure Tech. He has the best website to order stuff and is very simple. It's not real difficult to order. The exact prices of what it says, the shipping, the whole 9 yards. It's super simple. His website for if I just need quick connects and just piddly stuff, I'll buy it from him. It's simple, it's easy, I don't have to talk to nobody. But if you have a customer service problem with him, it's very hard to get a hold of. Bob don't like to talk to people. And I like Bob, but there's a lot of people that don't like Bob because Bob don't know how to talk to people. It's just the way it is. Like I said, I love Bob to death. There's a guy, when I very first started here, was in Cincinnati, was buying his stuff from Russ, and Russ was ordering it from Bob and sending it to him because he didn't like to work with Bob that much. So, like I say, The website is amazing, and you can get stuff like that. And in both places, if I order today, it will be there tomorrow morning, guarantee it. And that's what I like about both of those websites. You have a couple other places. So basically what I'm saying is they're close to where I live at, so they can get to my shipping fast. You know, have I ordered from the Power Wash store? Absolutely. But it takes 2 to 3 days to get it here coming from Texas or wherever. So that is why I buy from those couple spots. And when you really look at, you know, if you're in the South, maybe you want to buy out, there's a couple places in Florida that do really well. The price, if you're worried about a couple dollars here or there, good luck. I want the customer service factor of, like I say, if I call Russ, he will not tell me a lie, and he will give me the right stuff. Even if I don't buy that stuff from him, he will still give it to me, give me his information. And he's always done it. He's done it to everybody that I've ever known. When we first started, he was always on the boards giving information, always giving information. And so he has grown his business. He don't spend no money on marketing. He does all his business, and it's growing like crazy through basically just helping people, helping people. If you help people, they will help you back, guarantee it. So that being said, I try to buy where it is close for me to buy equipment. Can you buy, you know, those are two spots. Another spot I buy from, I buy quite a bit off of Amazon. You know, I can buy all kinds of stuff off Amazon. And, I mean, it's just simple. I can go on there, get it, and it comes in 2 days. Simple. I like simple. You know, if you need elbows or you need high pressure fittings, and you can just look it up and make sure it's right and order it through there. You know, I buy a lot through Amazon. That is my spots to buy. I'm actually looking here to make sure that I've, another good spot is KEC. Jason Wellman, I think it is. He's a good spot to buy. If you're close to him or you know, different people like to buy from different people. It's just the way it is. You know, my favorite might not be your favorite. Your favorite might not be my favorite. Just because maybe I've had a bad experience with it, or maybe maybe I don't drive with them as people, or how that. It's just how are you with those people? You know, these are the people I like to buy from. I've had the most success out of. Like I say, Russ, he'll do anything. He'll tell you anything, and he does a great job at it. Can he get grumpy sometimes? Yeah, but who can't? And sometimes I give him crap for it. So just remember, you don't always have to buy. You can shop around if you're really trying to nickel and dime it. But most of the time, if you're dealing with a good distributor, most of the time, they're going to be right on with everybody. They might be $5, $10 one way or the other, but there's not really going to be some huge difference that I'm going to buy this from here because that's $5 cheaper. And then I'm going to buy from here because this is $10 cheaper. But then you're going to pay shipping for both, and you're going to pay outrageous shipping and all this other stuff. And that's the thing about if you got a local guy. If you got a local guy, then you don't have to pay no shipping. You know, Russ Johnson, he's 2.5 hours away, and we've driven it probably 3 or 4 times last year because we needed it that day or something that morning that he had, or it was a chemical that's acid, and you can't ship it without paying outrageous shipping costs. So we'll send somebody down there to pick it up and bring it back. But I hope this helps you out. I hope you grow your business, and I hope you have a great day. If you would like to learn about pressure washing, check out this videos up here. If you would like to learn about Christmas light business for seasonal business, or even if you just want to learn how to do them, check out this video. Thank you and have a great day.